Panchayati Raj institutions form the third strata of decentralized structure of the Government of India. The introduction of Panchayati Raj as the third tier of decentralized administration is indeed one of the most remarkable social and political reforms since independence. Over the decades, the Panchayati Raj system has evolved at par with other institutions of the country, adopting digital ways for rural development. The government in the last few years has initiated several schemes and programs like Swamitva and e-Panchayat that intend to boost technological advancement in rural areas. The Minister of Panchayati Raj and Rural Development, Giriraj Singh, and Minister of State for Panchayati Raj, Kapil Moreshwar Patil, recently reviewed the progress made regarding the implementation of the Swamitva scheme and e-Panchayat programs. During this review meeting, the ministers discussed key issues relating to operation and maintenance expenses under Central Finance Commission, collaborative efforts for enhancement and enrichment of Panchayati Raj, Ministries portal dashboards like eGram Swaraj and local government directory, convergence of ministries programs and initiatives with schemes of various line departments such as Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Women and Child Development, Education, Agriculture, Animal Husbandry, etc. were also brought into the limelight, alongside role and services of common services centers and village level entrepreneurs. There has been a deliberate focus on improving e-Panchayat programs by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Let's understand Swamitva scheme and eGram Swaraj initiative, which are two key projects implemented for digital development of rural institutions. The acronym Swamitva stands for Survey of Villages and Mapping with Improvised Technology in Village Areas. It is a central sector scheme aimed at providing record of rights to village households owners possessing houses in inhabited rural areas and issuance of property e-cards to the property owners. On 24 April 2021, which is National Panchayati Raj Day, PM Modi launched the distribution of e-property cards under Swamitva scheme. Almost 4.9 lakh property owners were given the e-property cards. The vision is to make villages of modern India capable and self-reliant. To strengthen e-governance in Panchayati Raj institutions across the country, the Ministry of Panchayati Raj launched eGram Swaraj, which is a user-friendly web-based portal. eGram Swaraj aims to bring in a better transparency in decentralized planning, progress reporting and work-based accounting. PM Modi has talked about the growing financial autonomy of the panchayats, under which Panchayati Raj Ministry has made arrangements of online payments through eGram Swaraj. Now all payments will be through Public Finance Management System. The web portal of eGram Swaraj shows a daily physical and financial progress report with data accumulated from various states. The portal has the feature of latest updates on Gram Panchayat profiling, action plan creation and activity output. These developments are an indicator of the increasing digital profile of Panchayati Raj and the technological advancement of rural areas that are going to make the lives of people easier. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such updates.